always played sport and I love my sport. I've also enjoyed studying PE and sports science, but early on I didn't really know what I could do with it until I realised last year the whole sort of strength and conditioning scene, having sort of solid theory behind trying to improve someone's sport using science. I think that's really cool. I chose to come here because I came from the university and I did a phys ed degree and I wanted something a bit more practical, and I liked sort of what was offered here and did some practical placement and whatnot.
I think this program has prepared me a lot just for the future, working in sport, just because it's helped develop my confidence as well. I knew coming into it I hadn't worked with people, like I had just done all the theory sort of side of things, and now I know that I can actually go out there and do things that people are going to respect me as a practitioner, and I just have so much more confidence in myself. Facilities as well, the gym is amazing, and compared to what I'm used to working in, it's all very new modern equipment to be dealing with.
Turning up to trainings and implementing what I learned in class and applying it to the actual field or on the court. So I would definitely recommend this course for anyone that wants to get into strength and conditioning. It's mainly that practical experience you get which gives you that confidence to know you can do it in the real world.